Are you tired of stubborn dandruff and an itchy scalp? In this video, I will show you how to make a powerful herbal anti-dandruff spray using neem, garlic and ginger, all natural and super effective. With just these three ingredients, you can fight your dandruff, your scalp infection, strengthening your hair follicles. So to begin with, let's dive into the video. For this spray, you will need neem leaf, garlic, ginger, water and a spray bottle. So this is a fresh neem leaf. So I will be using fresh neem leaf for this recipe, for this ear spray. So the reason why I use fresh neem leaf is because of the nutrients. The fresh one has more nutrients than the dried one. So this is a close-up of the fresh neem leaf. Then the second and the third ingredient is ginger and garlic. I'll be using 3 cloves of garlic. Neem fights dandruff and scalp infection with its antifungal property, while garlic strengthens hair follicle and reduces scalp buildup. Ginger stimulates blood flow and reduces scalp inflammation. So I'll be using 1 cup of water for this spray. So start by washing your neem leaf thoroughly, peel your garlic and ginger, then slice them into small pieces. But I will be rinsing out my neem leaf and the other ingredients off camera. Neem leaves are traditionally used for hair care due to their potential benefits for scalp health and hair growth. They can help with dandruff, hair fall and promote healthy looking hair. Neem leaves have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can address scalp issues and strengthen hair follicles. Neem can stimulate hair growth by nourishing the scalp and strengthening hair follicles. Ginger offers several benefits for hair, including stimulating hair growth, reducing hair loss, combating dandruff, and improving scalp health. So as you can see that this treatment is for combating dandruff, is for reducing dandruff. You can as well as check out for or Google on benefits of these 3 ingredients, which is neem, fresh neem leaf, ginger and garlic. These three combination reduce dandruff and itchy scalp. So make sure you slice your ginger and garlic into small pieces and rinse it out with your neem leaf. So in a small pot, I add in 1 handful of my neem leaf and the chopped ginger and garlic. So I also add in 1 cup of water. You can use 2 cups of water depend on the quantity you want. So and place it on a low medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Allow it to boil on a low medium heat. So after boiling for about 20 minutes, this is what it looks like. So I allow it to cool completely before straining out the water, before spraying out this water. Already the neem, garlic and ginger has already infused into this water, and this water is very potent. This spray rather is very potent. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, because of too much of light, that is why this look white, something like this. This is exactly how it's supposed to be, greenish brown, yellow rather. So this spray is very potent. So after straining it out, I transfer it into my spray bottle for easy application. As you can see that the water has already changed. So this is the exactly color you are supposed to get after boiling yours. So this is the exactly color. This spray is very potent. This is a yellowish color or greenish yellowish, something like this you are supposed to get. This spray is very potent. This is very potent. This works perfectly on my scalp. This reduces my dandruff. So onto the application. Shake well before each use. Spray it directly on your scalp. Massage gently and leave it in. You can use this 3 to 4 times a week, either after washing your hair or as a daily scalp mist. This spray smooths scalp, reduces dandruff, promotes hair growth. By consistently about it, you will definitely see a changes. So you don't. Some people use their product like one times and they started complaining that it doesn't work. Use this for at least 3 to 4 times consistently for about a month and you definitely see a changes. Store in a refrigerator for about 5 days. This can only last for about 5 days in a refrigerator. And that is it, a simple natural anti-dandruff spray you can make at home. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more herbal hair care recipe, and also share your lovely ones who are struggling with dandruff. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye loves.